eMart is a versatile and comprehensive multi-service application designed to cater to a wide array of needs including food delivery, e-commerce, taxi booking, car rental, and parcel delivery. This app supports multiple vendors, making it ideal for businesses that aim to offer diverse services under one platform. It is available for web, Android, and iOS, ensuring a broad reach and accessibility. Main features: User and Store app, separate applications for users and store owners to manage and access services efficiently. Delivery Man and Driver app, dedicated applications for delivery personnel and drivers to streamline the service process. Geolocation, integrated geolocation services for precise location tracking and efficient service delivery. Service Provider and Worker Man app, specific applications for service providers and workers, enhance the management of various services. Cross-platform availability, available on Android and iOS platforms, as well as a web version. Website and Admin Panel, a comprehensive admin panel and website for managing services, users, and overall app functionality. Finalize Order, a feature that allows users to finalize their orders smoothly and efficiently. Delivery History keeps track of all deliveries made, providing users and administrators with detailed records. Login and Registration, secure and easy login and registration process for all users. Services, supports multiple services such as food delivery, e-commerce, taxi booking, car rental, and parcel delivery. Multi and single restaurant support, accommodates both multi-vendor platforms and single restaurant setups. Dark Mode, offers a dark mode for a better user experience in low-light conditions. Push Notifications, keeps users informed with real-time notifications about their orders and service updates. Shopping Cart, includes a shopping cart feature for convenient e-commerce transactions. KMS-wise delivery charge, calculates delivery charges based on the distance, ensuring fair pricing. Delivery Tracking, real-time tracking of deliveries, providing users with up-to-date information. Ratings and Reviews, allows users to rate and review services, enhancing transparency and quality control. Offline Mode, supports offline mode, ensuring functionality even without an internet connection. Real-time Map Directions, provides real-time directions and navigation for delivery personnel and drivers. Real-time Chat, enables real-time communication between users and service providers. Localization and RTL support, supports multiple languages and right-to-left, RTL, text direction for better accessibility. And more, continuous updates and additional features to enhance user experience and functionality. eMart stands out with its impressive range of services and features, making it a one-stop solution for businesses aiming to offer comprehensive service options to their customers. Its captivating user interface and robust functionality ensure a seamless user experience across all platforms. If you want to buy the source code of the app, you can click on the link given in our YouTube video description.